Products and/or Services Tutorial and Instructions. In the Products and/or Services section, an explanation will be given on what the product and/or service is. Details should be provided to give the reader a clear understanding of the characteristics and features of any and all products and services. This section can vary greatly depending on the products and/or services. When using the Plug and Plan template under the Products and Services section, users will want to type in the specific products and/or services the company will be offering. There is sample content for a company in the industry that can be used as a base guideline or utilized as is.